There's a shortcut to dividing polynomials when we're dividing by x minus k that's called synthetic division. So you draw kind of a half a rectangle and you put k here. On the top row you put the coefficients of f of x and you include placeholders. If you're missing an x cubed, say, you would put a 0 there. You drop your first coefficient. Then whatever that number is, multiply it by k and put it right there. Then you add whatever coefficient is here to that number, put it right down there. Then take that number, multiply by k, add whatever coefficients there, put that number there, and keep going. The last number you get is your remainder, right there. And all the numbers that are on the bottom up to the remainder are the coefficients of your q of x. And the degree of q of x is 1 less than f of x. Let's use synthetic division to do this problem. First of all, we need our k. It needs to be in the form of x minus k. So we have an x minus a negative 2. So our k is a negative 2. Now we put our coefficients of our polynomial. So the coefficient of x cubed is 1. Coefficient of x to the fourth is negative 3. Then we have a negative 5. There's no x squared, but we'll put a placeholder 0. Then we have a negative 1 and a 1. Okay, very first thing is you drop down this first coefficient, 1. Then multiply that by your k, so 1 times negative 2. Now we add vertically, so we have a negative 5. Multiply, negative 2 times negative 5 is a 10. Add these, we get a 5. Multiply negative 2 times 5. Add 0 plus negative 10. Multiply. Add. Multiply. And add. Now let's interpret the bottom row. All but the last one are coefficients of our q of x. And the degree is 1 less. So we're going to have 1 times x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus 5x squared minus 10x plus 19 plus our remainder, negative 37 over x plus 2.